Hi guys, welcome to my channel Me. Hope you all are doing well, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this round crochet. For this tutorial I'll be using this yellow colored woolen yarn. It's slightly thicker by size and a green one of the same size, and a 4mm crocheting needle. So first things first, let's first create a slip knot. You have to just wrap the yarn to form a circle and pull the thread through. Now to create the foundation chain 5 like so. One thing to remember while crocheting is always to keep count of how many chains or double crochets you do. So to create a circle here, insert your crocheting hook through the first chain, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your needle. Pull the first loop through the second to form a circle. Go to the next row, create 3 chains like so, and this will count as our first double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook through the circle, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your needle. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. We need to create a total of 12 double crochets here. The 3 chains also form a double crochet, so counting that, you should have a total number of 12 double crochets. So I'll be fast forwarding this part here, and always remember to count, because if you miss one, you'll mess the whole crochet pattern. Once you're done creating 12 double crochets, you have to join the last double crochet with the first double crochet. So insert your hook through the 3rd chain from the first double crochet, pull through to form a slip stitch. Now to go to the next row, create 3 chains like so, and this will be counted as our first double crochet. And in the same space, create another double crochet. So in the first row we had 12 double crochets, and in the second row we'll be creating 24 double crochets. So in each space, 2 double crochets. Keep the count of all the double crochets that you do, because in this row we need a total of 24 double crochets. Join the last double crochet with the first chain double crochet like so, and form a slipped stitch. Now to go to the next row, create 3 chain stitches like so, and again we'll be repeating what we did in row 2. In each space, create 2 double crochets. So last row we had 24 double crochets, and in this row we'll have a total number of 48 double crochets. So keep creating your double crochets here. I'm almost at the end of this row. Keep a count of all the double crochets that you're doing. There should be a total number of 48 double crochets, 2 double crochets in each space. I have created 48 double crochets here, and now to close the row, just join the last double crochet with the third chain in the first double crochet. Now to go to the next row, create 3 chain stitches, and this will be counted as our first double crochet. And now in each space you will create 1 double crochet. So the last row had 48 double crochets, and this row also will have 48 double crochets. So in each space you'll just create 1 double crochet like so. So I have created 48 double crochets, so keep counting. Remember, always you need to count while doing your crochet pattern. Now join the last double crochet to the third chain from the first double crochet, pull like so. To go to the next row, create 3 chain stitches, but there'll be a slight chain in the pattern here, so chain 1 again. So you'll have a total number of 4 chain stitches. Leave the next double crochet, and in the next space create 1 double crochet. Chain 1, leave 1 double crochet, and in the next space create 1 double crochet. So you leave 1 double crochet in between. While doing this row, you might feel that your pattern is getting curled up or tightened up, so just don't worry, keep going. Join this row, chain 1, insert the hook through the third chain and pull through. Here you see that your pattern has all curled up, so just don't worry, it's okay. Next row I'll be using another color, so here just yarn over and pull the thread through and cut off the excess thread. For the next row, I'll be using this yellow colored yarn. So just encircle it to form a U shape around your finger, and you can begin from anywhere. So to join the yellow thread, insert your hook through that space. So you can see that space, insert your hook like this, pull the yarn through and pull it. And now form 3 chain stitches to begin with the next row. You will find it a bit messy, but it's okay. You will struggle at the beginning. So 3 chains, and in each space create 3 double crochets. So this is the second double crochet and this is the third double crochet. Now chain 1, and in the next space create a set of 3 double crochets. This is how it looks like at the end of this row. The pattern has stopped curling up. So now chain 1 and join to the third chain. Put your yarn through, pull through and form a slip stitch. Now to go to the next row, form 3 chains, and in that space create 2 double crochets more. So this will be counted as the first double crochet, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So basically you're repeating what you did in the previous row. So chain 1, 3 double crochets in that space. so keep repeating. We have come to the end of this row. Again, chain 1, join to the third chain like so and form a slip stitch. To go to the next row, create 3 chain stitches, and this will be counted as a first double crochet, and in the same space create 2 more double crochets. So in each space you'll create 3 double crochets. Previous row repeated. By creating a slip stitch. Now there will be a slight change in pattern. Now chain 6 here instead of the normal 3. Now you have to create a single crochet, not a double one. So instead of yarning over, you don't have to yarn over here. Insert the hook through the space, pull through. You'll have 2 loops in the hook and pull through. So chain 6 again. Insert your hook through that space, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops and pull through 2. So keep repeating these steps. Once you have completed this row, your pattern will look like this. Now simply join those 6 chains to the first chain there by creating a single crochet like so. You can stop right here if you don't want to go further with the design, because this is a beautiful pattern in itself. Now for the next row, I'll be changing the color again. So I'll just cut off the excess thread and pull the yarn through like this and tighten it up. For the next row, I'll be using this green color again. So wrap the thread around your finger and insert the hook through the space and pull the thread through, and keep holding both the threads and form 3 chain stitches like so. So 2 and 3. Form a double crochet. So you'll form 3 double crochets in total here. Once you have formed 3 double crochets, there'll be a slight change in pattern. Now chain 1 and create another double crochet in the same space like so. So when you go to the next space, instead of chain space 1, you have to directly go to the space and create 3 double crochets. Simply means there won't be any chain space. So 3 double crochets, this is second one, this is third one, chain space 1 and another double crochet. Now simply join the last double crochet with the third chain to close this row, and to finish off the pattern you can just cut off the excess thread and pull the thread off and tighten it up. This is how your pattern will look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Do comment, like and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me. Until next time, bye.